Improved mood conditions can have a wide range of benefits, impacting both mental and physical well-being. Welcome to Explore 101 Journey begins. Here are some key advantages. 1. Enhanced mental health. Better mood can reduce symptoms of anxiety, depression, and stress. 2. Increased productivity. Positive moods are associated with higher motivation, creativity, and focus, which can enhance productivity in both personal and professional settings. 3. Better relationships. Improved. 4. Healthier lifestyle choices. People as regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and sufficient sleep. 5. Boosted immune function. Positive emotions can strengthen the immune system, making individuals less susceptible to illnesses. Explore 101 Journey begins content director and creator with all his best ability, wisdom, knowledge, dedication, talents, resources, and all his research group would continue conducting further research about nature's beauty, wonder, and miracles in relation to human behavior, both mental, physical, and spiritual attributes, to correlate and extract the health benefits and essence of nature to the ailing mankind. 6. Reduced pain perception. Positive mood can alter the perception of pain, helping individuals cope better with chronic pain or discomfort. 7. Enhanced resilience. Improved mood can help individuals develop better coping strategies and resilience in the face of challenges. 8. Increased lifespan. Studies suggest that positive emotional well-being is linked to longevity and a lower risk of chronic diseases. 9. Greater life satisfaction. Positive mood contributes to overall life satisfaction and happiness, enhancing the quality of life. 10. Improved cognitive function. Better mood can enhance cognitive functions, including memory, decision-making, and problem-solving skills. Overall, improving mood conditions can lead to a more fulfilling and balanced life, benefiting various aspects of health and well-being. Thanks, folks, for your continued support too. Explorer 101 Journey begins. May the blessings of Almighty God be upon you and your family. Cheers for now. Cheers. Leading to overall improved mental health, stronger relationships, and social connections. Huwag Kalamutang Mag. Subscribe, like, share it, Paki, hit Naran, the notification bell. Salamat. Explorer 101 Journey begins.